Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie Lane and I am a spiritual business coach for healers, authors, speakers, and I help women get clarity and get focused so they can build their dream tribe. And today I want to talk to you about a tool that I have been using that has been really beneficial in my life, and it is called EFT. It's emotional freedom technique, and what it does, it's kind of like acupuncture. So if you've gotten acupuncture, they put needles in your body and it releases the tension and the stress and the emotions that gets tensed up in your body. So where I felt acupuncture makes you feel really relaxed and rejuvenated, I found that EFT was able to clear things, was able to get things on a cellular level, because we store our trauma, our old stories, stress, anxiety in our body. You can see it when you're driving down the street and somebody cuts you off. You tense up, your heart swells a little bit, you back up, you get mad, maybe you give somebody the finger. So it's really important that you have tools like emotional freedom technique, like EFT, to deal with our emotions. So every day we have something that can trigger us, and EFT is a way for you to work through those triggers, a way for you to really be aware of what needs to be addressed. And today I'm going to be showing you a tapping on attracting miracles in your life, because who doesn't want more miracles in their life, right? Okay. Well, first thing I want to set is I'm going to grab some doTERRA frankincense oil. This one is, I'm going to show it to you. I don't think you can see it. This way. Okay, so this is the frankincense oil. They call this the god of all oils. I'm just going to put two on my hands. Take deep breath. One more. Actually, two more. And then you just kind of rub it on your neck. Makes you feel a lot more calmer and connected. Okay, so we have trapped emotions in our body, whether you know it or not, or whether you believe it or not. But what we're going to do is I'm going to guide you through a EFT session of how to attract more miracles in your life. So if you're starting to feel a little stagnant, things are getting a little comfortable, you're feeling a little stuck, a little stagnant, we're going to work through it. So if you don't know what the pressure points are, this is called the karate chop. And what you do is you set it 3 times and then you run through it. So it's head, forehead, side of the eye, under the nose, chin. I like to do 2 hands, because like monkeys, when they get pumping up their energy. Chest, so chest and collarbones, under the armpit. I know it's a weird one. And then you can repeat it. Some practitioners skip the head. I like to do the head a few times, and it's okay if you do it on your left hand. I would say stay with one side first. And then also you want to rate, if you're feeling any triggers or any anxiety, you want to rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 so it can be a little measurable. So today my anxiety level is about a 4. So let's see if I can get that down, and we're going to focus on attracting miracles. So this is all about attracting miracles into our life and into our business. Okay. First, taking full responsibility for your own well-being, and I'm going to tap right here on the karate chop point. Nice and gently. And you always start with these statements. Even though I'm feeling a little stuck in my life, I completely love, honor, and accept myself. And I forgot, you have to repeat what I say. You could say it in your own languaging, and you can just repeat it quietly. It is a little more powerful if you repeat it out loud. So I will give you a little bit of space to repeat it. And taking deep breaths. Even though I'm feeling a little stuck, a little lost, lack of clarity, I completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I'm feeling stuck, I'm feeling scared, I'm not attracting miracles at this moment, I completely love, honor, and accept myself. Top ahead. I don't know. I just usually have clarity and I don't have it right now. I feel my life is a little stuck. Forehead. I don't see where the next miracle is going to happen. The next opportunity, the next call. If that's even going to happen for me. Is that even a reality? Side of eye. But they say that miracles happen all the time, every day. I want to believe it, but I don't. I don't right now. Under eye. I'm ready to trust, to embody trust in my body. What does that even mean? Under nose. I'm really struggling right now. My confidence is a little lower. I'm stuck. I'm frustrated. I'm feeling lost. Chin. I know there's a better way. I know that I can manifest miracles, opportunities into my life. Chest. Why do I feel like I'm moving through quicksand? Why do I feel like I'm moving so slow? Under the armpit. I'm waiting, I'm hoping, I'm wishing, I'm praying, and I'm not seeing anything yet. I'm not seeing anything yet. Top of head. Oh, I need a break. I need help. I need an answer. I need a sign. Forehead. There are so many miracles that are waiting for me. There are so many miracles that are waiting for me. Side of eye. I am so ready to really embrace these miracles and receive. My hands are open. My heart is open. Under eye. My eyes, my ears, my body is open and ready to receive these miracles. Under the nose, whether in abundance, opportunity, love, relationships, new career, travel. Chin. So much magic in this world. And I know I am the creator of my own reality. Chest. My vibration attracts these miracles. And I must be blocking it somehow. Well, I'm tapping it out of my body. Under the armpit. I know my natural state is joy. My natural state is this beautiful vibrational pull. On top of the head, I am made of stardust. I am made of miracles. I'm made of planets. I'm made of stars. I can attract these miracles. They're for me. They're ready for me. Forehead. Oh, be open, be open, be open, be open, be open. Side of eye, and give and receive and give and receive and give and receive and give and receive. I will be present under the eye. I will be present for all the wonderful, beautiful gifts given to me, whether in signs, in physical items, and people, and relationships, and words. Under the nose. Miracles can happen every day. They happen every day. They should happen every day. I am a miracle. Chin. I am a miracle. I am a miracle. Chest. I help others. I am the light. Others help me. We are one. I connect, I connect, I connect, I connect, I connect. I connect with the vibration of miracles. Under the armpit. I'm ready to receive. I'm ready to be given this. I'm ready to open myself up. This is the time. This is now. Miracles are always happening. Top of head. Go ahead and stop. Take a deep breath in. Tighten your belly. Tighten your sexual organs. And then exhale, release. 2 more like that. Inhale. Tighten, tighten, tighten. Tighten your glutes too. And then exhale, release. Letting it pour down. 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. Whew. Shake it out. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Holy, that was good. That was beautiful, beautiful work. Now go attract beautiful miracles because you are a miracle. Make sure that you drink lots of water. Put some oils, journal if you need to, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.